Hello kids! Let's learn today 15 easy and fun bird riddles. I make a loud cock-a-doodle-doo sound every morning. I wake everyone up at the start of the day. Guess who am I? Rooster. Very good. It is rooster. Let's see the next. I stay awake at night and sleep during the day. I have big round eyes to see in the dark. Guess who am I? Owl. Yes, owl. Next. I love swimming in water and I quack. I waddle when I walk on land. Guess who am I? Duck. Yes, the answer is duck. I have a large and colorful beak. I live in warm tropical forests. Guess who am I? Toucan. Yes, the toucan bird. I cannot fly, but I can run very fast. I have long legs and live on land. Guess who am I? Ostrich. Great answer. Yes, ostrich. Next, I am green and I love to talk. I can copy the words people say. Guess who am I? Yes, parrot. Parrot. Good. Now, I am pink and I stand on one leg. I love being in water and searching for food. Guess who I am? Which bird I am? Flamingo. Yes, flamingo. Next, I peck at tree trunks to find insects. You can hear me making a tapping sound. Guess who am I? Yes, tap tap. Yes, woodpecker. I am woodpecker. Next, I am small and brown and chirp softly. You often see me near houses and trees. Guess who am I? Yes, and the little bird, sparrow. Yes, sparrow. I live on farms and lay eggs. People take care of me every day. Guess who am I? I am hen. Yes, hen. Let's see the next. I am black and white and love cold places. I swim well but cannot fly. Guess who am I? Yes, I am penguin. Yes, I am penguin. I am black and you hear me say quack. You often see me sitting on trees. Guess who am I? Yes, caw. Yes, it is crow. Crow. I fly very high up in the sky. I have sharp eyes to spot my food. Guess who am I? Eagle. Yes, I am eagle. I fly very high in the sky. Next, I am a small bird that visits your window. I hop around looking for food. Guess who am I? Yes, I am robin. I am robin. I have bright colorful feathers. I spread my beautiful tail when it rains. Guess who am I? Yes, the pretty, bright, colorful feathers bird is Peacock. Yes, I am Peacock. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you all like this video. Bye. Take care. Have a good day.